Just taking it out of the oven, just got to let it cool down now and see if it comes out of the dish at all quite easily. I might just run a knife around once it's cooled down and then we'll have a taste, cut it up. Here we are, it's been cooling for a while. It's cold enough, just how are we going to do this? If it comes out. Oh! Look at that. Fell out. Didn't even need the knife. Hopefully it's cooked. It went right through. Well, if it's not cooked well, I'll eat it anyway. Well, hopefully it's cooled down enough. The big test. Do I need a chainsaw? It looks really moist. Cut it this way. Maybe it's not cooked. Shit. That's alright. Might be good for pudding.